Hey, my friend, we're talking about the secret to earning more isn't what you think. Start your 2025 right. So, I'm making this video in the latter part of 2024 to encourage you to start preparing now, strategizing, and getting a plan that you can implement hitting the ground running for 2025. If you're watching this video and we're well into 2025, no worries. You can start your 90-day run anytime. All right, anytime. So let's get into it. There's the old way versus the new way. The old way is work harder, hustle 24/7. The old way is if you come from an era like me, we work full time. If we need to make extra money, we go and get a part time job. There's no problem with that, but we need to experience passive income versus continuing experiencing trading time for dollars. You're going to run out of time. Eventually, you're going to run out of time. You're going to be tired. You're going to lose sleep. So that's that work harder, hustle 24/7. But the new way is to work smarter, not harder. What does that mean? Because sometimes we become numb to hearing work smarter, not harder. I know, I get it. You want to have an automated system working for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So while you're working full time, or while you're with your family, or while you're doing the things that are meaningful to you, you have a system that's working for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, that will tell people what you're doing, sell to people what you're doing, take payments, all working for you. So the truth is, you can create real income while working less, but you have to have a strategy. Just because working less is possible doesn't mean that you won't be working. You just have to have a smart plan. Yes? So, what if there is a smarter way to earn? Wouldn't you be interested in that? Can you imagine earning more with less time? It's kind of hard, just to be completely honest, because you're so accustomed to working 40 hours a week. But what if you can work 2 hours a day? What if someone gave you a plan 2 hours a day, 3 hours a day? That's what you would be putting in anyway if you were to go and get that part-time job after your full-time job. So there's no more long hours or burnout time here. You can start a system that works for you, like I said, even while you're sleeping. And let me go back to that for a minute. That doesn't mean some type of overnight um, magical system. Amazon never sleeps. eBay never sleeps. Etsy never sleeps. Do you understand what I mean? Wherever you can go at any time of the day, these online systems and websites and e-commerce systems, they're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So that's what I mean. When you're earning in a smarter way, you can have a system working for you while you're sleeping. Okay, so get ready for 2025. Start now. You want to build a smarter business with the tools that you need. You want to earn income while focusing on what truly matters, because that's the era that we're living in. You've been working, you're grateful for your job, but now you want life-changing income, and you want to focus on the things that matter to you. Yes, you can do that, but you got to start now. Okay, so it really takes one decision. You don't have to go and consult with people. I mean, you can, but what do you feel in your spirit? What do you feel right in the middle of your belly, so to speak, which is called the second brain? What are you feeling there? It takes one decision. You're one decision away from earning smarter and living better. Let 2025 be your breakthrough year. Some people are saying, well, why can't 2024 be my breakthrough year? Because 2024, we have about 31 more days from me making this video. We only have about 31 more days in 2024. So the best that we can do now is start preparing for 2025. But get this, you can get your system set up today, and you can begin to even earn in the last 30 days of 2024. And that's the power of having a digital business. Yes? So click the link in the video description, my friend, and watch the step-by-step video blueprint today. Yes, 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 yes. All right, and let's connect. Let's grow together. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment if you found this video helpful. All right, I'll see you on the next video. Check out some of my other videos for some tips on making money, empowerment, mindset, manifestation, things that's going to get you into a mode to take action for you, not for me, but for you to take action for you. Yes and yes. All right. Many blessings. Make sure you click the link in the video description to take that step-by-step blueprint video tour.